Hey guys, Kyle here. I haven't seen any of these videos on YouTube on how to take these off. Or, I mean, people have said how to take them off, but they haven't actually shown it. So I figured I'd make a little how-to video on this. I haven't done this, but I've read up how to do it. I mean, it's very straightforward. This is the new one I'm going on. I'll put a link down in the description to where I got it from. But I figure a little bit black on black is gonna make this look so much nicer. And it's gonna match that. So yeah, I'm pretty excited. But basically the only thing that's held on by this is this 3-in tape, and that's it. So with that being said, all you're gonna need is a heat gun. We're gonna heat this up. This way it loosens up the glue on the back. I'm just gonna take it right off. I mean, this thing is literally just stuck on there. So I'm gonna set up the camera and let's get to it. Alright, so as you can see, I still got glue left on here, but I don't think that should matter too much, because I'm just going to heat it up and stick the new piece on it. At least I hope anyways. Alright, let's see, where's the... Ooh, thought I had a scare for a minute. Didn't look like he was going to line up. Oh yeah. Let's fit on there beautifully. Oh man, that looks so much nicer. I like it. I like it a lot. I'll just show you guys here. So, like I said, what I'm going to do, I'm going to take this off. See, it's got the same glue on here as I've been scraping off down there. I'm going to heat up that glue, and then I'm going to heat this stuff up and apply it onto each other and really press it down, and I hope it's going to bond. So that's what my goal is, and that's what I'm going to try to do. So, alright, this piece, I did pop it off. As you see, it's, well, I can just take it off the cart completely, can't I? I don't remember if this is... Oh, you can. Yeah, this is held on by a clip down here underneath the side skirt, so... But you can just pop it off right here. So that way you can get away from the car and the rest of the paint and all that, so... Alright. This one's done. That worked nicely. It's hot in here. Sweet. This one that I've got here, this one actually comes off the limited. Or not the limited, the special edition STi, you know, that orange and black one. That's where this one. But I gotta say, I definitely enjoy this a lot more. Definitely adds to the sleekness of it instead of just having that, you know, that one gray section right here as per se this side. Kind of just gray with red here to match the rims. So now a nice black and black that way. I don't know, I like it a lot better. Alright, well, hope you guys like this video. It's pretty hot in here, can't tell. My garage gets a little bit hotter. So temperature, but yeah, hope you guys liked it. Hope you guys learned something. I guess ideally you would want to get off all the glue, but I don't know, just scraping that constantly for all of that, you know, it's, I don't know, for me it seems smarter just to heat up the existing glue and to stick the new glue onto that one, just for hopefully a better bond and to really push it down on. Of course, I'll find out if this thing flies off. If it does, I'll let you know and tell you not to do that. So hoping for the best here. Yeah, I gotta go to the other side and leave for work. So I hope you guys like this, and yeah, see you guys later.